Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Daniel. Well, we want to share again with you one day on a life of Teco broadcast. I want to show you some projects we are working in this moment. Very fast. I will show you this is an M+1 system, and is ready to deliver. We will probably ship tomorrow. We are finished to test it and to make all the test reports, and you can see it ready to okay. It's ready to pack. This is some big dumbbells for a 50 kilowatt transmitter and so on. We are preparing here some transmitter that we are starting to assembling. This will be 12 kilowatt. This will be even a 12 kilowatt. This will be 5 kilowatt. And this we have more component, of course, for more M+1 we are preparing. This is for the 15 kilowatt, the dummy loads for the 50 kilowatt. We have here some of the amplifier inside that will be assembled inside. Moreover, I have inside the 10 kilowatt, of course, or 12 kilowatt, and moreover we have some exciter of several powers from 30 to 1 kilowatt. You will see here we are shipping these materials. These are all transmitters ready for some of them are 2.5 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt. Well, many powers. These are antenna systems. And this is all antenna systems and cables ready to ship. All this is ready to ship with antennas and cables, all this ready to ship. Here we are preparing the next 5, 6 kilowatt racks. This will be in a few days. We will start assembling the 2 plus 25, it means a 50 kilowatt transmitter. Then we work in DRM plus. In this moment we have several orders for DRM plus. One of them is for 3.5 kilowatt, many pieces of 3.5 kilowatt. Then we have orders for 2.5 kilowatts and 1 kilowatt, and especially we have order for 50 kilowatt DRM plus. I want to share with you just a little bit of this setup configuration where we are testing the exciter for DRM plus. For this kind of works, we have an agreement with GatesAir where they provide to us the exciters. Moreover, we have an agreement with RF Mondial, who provide to us the content server and the contribution encoder. And what we do is just to integrate all these DRM baseband parts on our high power amplifiers that are studied specifically to work with the signals like the modulation used in DRM. They have a linear polarization. The amplifier are specifically developed to work with a signal like digital, like DRM, and in a special class of working. And we use the pre-correction also provided by the exciters and so on. So in this case, we are testing 3 complete systems. but of course I'm not the specialist. I will ask Remo, please, can you give me some details, some more details on how it's configured this?
So you have the three blocks, starting from the multi-standard exciter. The GatesAir is able to supply FM, FM HD, FM, and DRM+. In this case, we will go to use DRM+, so in FM band. So this is the exciter. Here you have the content preparation. We have an encoding part where we are connected to the audio signal, digital audio signal from the source. Depending on the configuration of the DRM, we can have more audio signal, more product. Then this one with the content server create the standardized signal NDI that is able to drive the exciter. So DRM has one transport stream, the name is NDI, that is standardized. So encoder, multiplexer, content go to the transmitter. Transmitter is able to put, you can see maybe here, we put normal FM signal and then collocate the DRM digital package. Easy. Then you can variate the quantity of the data part. This is less or more the system. So it's a compatible system. So the people they have to receive only analog can keep the receiving of the analog FM. The people they have the receiver in DRM+, they can receive this, depending on the configuration.
Okay. And so, Remo, with this, we because we use this just like the senior DRM generator, multi-standard as we mean, and then can work in IBOC, HD, or other standard, and you confirm that from here we drive our amplifiers from, let me say, from 1 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt. That in this case, because we exchange only the exciter.
Yes, we have 50 watt of very clean and pre-corrected signal. Then we can go to drive any power theoretically.
Yes.
No problem.
Okay.
It can be also a single transmitter. And another part important is the synchronization. You can realize SFN network.
This is important.
Because
give me two words about it, about the synchronization, please.
The synchronization, we are synchronizing over GPS, but we can use Galileo and other standard GNMS. This is very important because the two transmitters and the content will be synchronized, and we can make a continuously coverage between different transmitters. So DRM Plus can be synchronized like DVB-T, like DAB. We can realize network totally in SFN.
This is very important. In fact, for this reason, we are getting some orders, some contracts where they need many transmitters. For example, now we are working 3.5 kilowatt network, and they use many of them, all in the same frequency. So this is one of the advantage of the. You don't need to have one frequency for the city. Even the car, when it's driving, doesn't need to change the frequency. So this is a big advantage of this system. So this is what we are doing now. Again, content server from Mondial. Exciters from GatesAir and amplifiers of high power amplifiers from Teco broadcast. And in this case, as I told you, we are just sharing one day in a life, or this will be next week assembled for to become the 50 kilowatt amplifier that will be driving by some of these equipment. Thanks for your attention. Nice to meet you. See you next time.